Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the ways on how can you fix Magic Mouse won't connect to MacBook Pro M1. To fix it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there are a couple of different methods you could do it so in order to fix it. So for that, what you want to do is you want to first of all make sure to check power and battery level. First thing, you need to ensure your Magic Mouse is powered on by checking if the switch shows green light. Low battery level can prevent the mouse from connecting, so keep it adequately charged. If your Magic Mouse isn't charging, ensure the power outlet button is on, the cable is securely connected, and try different outlet or USB port as well. This should be able to help you out to fix it. So the other thing what you could also do is you could also make sure to enable the Bluetooth settings. So if you've not enabled or toggled on your Bluetooth settings, it might be one of the reasons. So you want to go to your macOS, and what you want to do is refresh the Bluetooth connections. For that, you simply want to go to settings and go to system preferences and go to Bluetooth, and here you want to make sure to connect or toggle the button and select a nearby device, and that should be able to resolve a minor issue as well. If the Bluetooth does not turn on or respond, restart your computer and then attempt to enable Bluetooth again. This can help refresh the system and restore your mouse as well. If you are still unable to fix it, so you want to try reconnecting the Magic Mouse. For that, what you want to do is, if toggling the Bluetooth doesn't work, try unpairing and reconnecting your Magic Mouse. Open up the system preferences, go to Bluetooth, find your Magic Mouse and the list of devices, and click the X button to unpair it. Turn the mouse off and on again and follow the pairing steps, and this should be able to help you out as well. If nothing seems to be working out, you simply want to make sure to reset the Bluetooth module. So go to the system preferences, and here you have this advanced options right at the bottom right. You simply want to go ahead and click that out and configure the settings as well. That should be able to help you out. If not, try updating your Mac OS and drivers. For that, you want to actually go to the system settings once again, then go to software update, and that should be able to help you out to fix it. So these are some of the ways to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.